just be like, yes, like, you know, I'm gonna go lift a PR today, so. When I did sectionals, God, I guess 2 years ago, that was the one thing that I said that I thought was the most fun about sectionals. It was so close to our box that there were so many CrossFitters there. Like having an opportunity like this where there's a lot of people together again, it's fun. It's what makes coming to it fun, even when sometimes the workouts aren't. So it's great. It's great to be able to just have that many people together.
I think I like the rush, I like the nerves,